My parents were entrepreneurs from the time I was born. They were the classic kind of bootstrapper, kind of lifestyle entrepreneurs. They wanted to set their own agenda. They never wanted to report to anybody. They wanted to take off when they wanted to take off. And they would do funny things like close their store some days at 4 o'clock just because they didn't want to work past 4. So they didn't maintain, kind of normal hours all the time. They ultimately went into the retail business because they decided that restaurants and hotels were too hard and required too much work and would disrupt their lifestyle. And that gave me an enormous amount of attention from them. And I started programming when I was 7 years old. My mom bought my first computer, learned how to program with me, had the time to do that. And then I kind of grew up, working at their stores and testing my hand at different entrepreneurial things, but not having a commercial motive.